Hello there and welcome. I'm Ole Brøgger, and if you're new here, I really hope I'll earn your subscription today. I'm here in Aarhus, near where I live, and I'm at something called FanCon. It's a convention about role-playing games, cosplay, board games, and video games. There is a lot of people starting to gather around here. It's the second day of the convention and I only have a one-day ticket. And this video will be recorded on my phone since I forgot my camera bag at home. But let's see what's happening inside and let's get started. This is the first time we have FanCon here in Aarhus. And it's a quite small convention, but it's a huge celebration for nerds, cosplay, role-playing games, video games, board games, cartoons, movies, and television shows. This is a place where people can meet up, be a nerd and not be embarrassed about it, having a ton of fun, share experiences, showing off their crafts, even sell it. And this was just an awesome place, even though it was not that big, because people were very enthusiastic about what they were doing. In this booth, you could design your own keyboard, you can pick your own switches and make the color you want. That was quite cool. You could even personalize your own controller or mouse. And this booth had a lot of nice custom designed stickers. A lot of anime stuff was there too, if you are into that sort of thing. Not quite my style, but still, there's something here for everyone. And then there was a booth for Sci-Fi Con, another great convention here in Denmark. Unfortunately, I couldn't go this year, but it was nice to have a small taste of it here in this booth. And 3D printing. There was a lot of 3D printed stuff here, and it was awesome. Still, there was a lot of stuff for different tastes. And this dragon, that was quite impressive. It was over 2 meters long. And if you don't have stuff, but you have a 3D printer, you can just make it. And here was another table, also full of 3D printed stuff. Everything you like, you can just print it. And look at that dragon that nice lady had on her shoulders. That's just so beautiful. What a nice print job. If you can imagine it, you can print it. Even though she told me it took 4 days to print this. But if it's something you want, you just go print it. Or you can buy something that someone already made. And of course, they also had something for all the gamers. There was a lot of activity here in the gaming room. I did not find many board games, but these guys played a game called Uno, a little card game that's very fun. A Magic Summer Tournament role-playing game. These wonderful people are hosting this game. They have a school for board gaming and role-playing games where they teach children and young adults how to role-play and play different kinds of board games. I think this is very awesome. Dices. Loads of dices. And I am a sucker for dices. You can just not get enough dices. I really love this. And there were so many booths that had dices. Some were pre-made and some were even homemade. I really love this stuff. And I saw some very awesome metal dices from Epic Dwarf Dice. This was some awesome metal dices. Expensive though, but they were awesome. And these magic dices had something inside them. It looked so cool. Magical. Grandma Gaming Goodies. They also have some very awesome dices, and it was actually here I ended up buying a cool set of dices. All their dices are handmade, hand-painted, and they make their own design. I really love this concept. And of course, a convention without cosplay is not a convention about cosplay. Look at all these awesome cosplayers. I really love this. Just let the music roll. This is pretty much it for today. I was only here for a couple of hours. It was a pretty interesting small convention and I talked to a lot of interesting people. I got a piece of dice with me home. But I think this is it for now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button up here and I will see you soon.